Well, it's hard to believe just yesterday we hit what, almost 70 degrees. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo is here now. Kate, the chill is on once again, the big chill.
Yeah, yesterday felt like spring. It felt like mid to late spring, in fact, and now it's back to winter. This is February. This is what it's supposed to feel like. It's going to get even colder through the weekend, but then some good news for President's Day Monday. A live look outside right now. It is dry. It is clear. The winds are dying down tonight, which is good news. We've had gusty winds all day today, but notice those gusts have dropped off the map. So our feels-like temperatures, our wind chills, are not running quite as far below the actual temperature as they were earlier. Right now it's 34 and it feels like 28, which is cold, but it's not 34 feeling like 20 or feeling like 18, which is good news. Feels like temperatures across the region right now, again, in the 20s, but temperatures are on their way to the 20s in most spots anyway. So temperatures, again, running about the same as the wind chill. Winds, however, are going to be a big problem tomorrow as a cold front approaches from the west. While we're dry right now, you can see this next front. Now, this is a moisture-starved front. There's not a lot with it. It's not like the last one, which brought heavy rain last night, but it does once again have a lot of wind with it. So it's almost a 1-2 punch. Punch 1 came last night. This is going to reinforce the cold and bring the threat for very strong winds. In fact, a wind advisory has already been issued. This will go into effect tomorrow at 1 o'clock and continue through 7 p.m. for wind gusts to 50 miles per hour all across the region. That's very similar to what we felt this morning, and we had reports of trees down and power outages, so that certainly could be a concern for tomorrow afternoon as well. Tonight, 25 degrees. This after near 70 just yesterday. Much less windy tonight, but tomorrow here comes that front. Now this front comes through midday, so between about noon and 2 p.m. the actual frontal passage. There may be a few snow squalls with this in the Poconos or the Lehigh Valley, so it's certainly something to keep in mind if you're planning on going up to the Poconos for the holiday weekend. If you're driving the Northeast Extension here around 1 o'clock tomorrow, any one of these snow squalls can drastically reduce visibility very quickly. Now, they'll be in and out quickly as well, maybe just a rain shower down the shore, and then by 3 o'clock this is gone. But then the winds really begin to pick up the pace late afternoon. So not a lot of wind overnight. Southwest wind tomorrow morning out ahead of the front, but then once this front comes through, it is going to be a very windy Saturday evening. Winds could gust again over 50 miles per hour down the shore and even in the city. And that means while wind chills all day will be sub-freezing, by tomorrow night, 7 p.m., the wind chill just 10 degrees. If you have Saturday night plans out on the town, make sure to bundle up. 45 will be the high tomorrow. Windy, partly cloudy. Sunday is colder behind the front with a high of about 40, but not as much wind. And then Monday, President's Day, that is really the stellar day, the gold star day of the holiday weekend, a high back to near 60 with lots of sunshine. But next week, it warms up again, 60s Tuesday and Wednesday, but that warm up comes with rain Tuesday and showers Wednesday before colder weather returns Thursday and Friday. Yuki, back to you.
Not too bad, Kate. Thank you.